boy, you guys are not gonna believe the call I have right now. Rotator request from CHP, overturned trailer, and let me show you the trailer. I could probably bring a couple buff dudes and flip this over myself. It is what it is though. There's tar everywhere. It looks like hot asphalt. Gonna destroy my tires. That's unfortunate. But this comes with the territory, man. You get the good with the bad. Not everything can be a big old 53-foot trailer or a container rollover. Unfortunately, he's blocking the on-ramp to the 5 South/10 freeways from Mission. Very high traffic area. Around 3-4 p.m. right now, so all the motorists are out of luck for a while. Now this stuff, I mean, you can hear my foot. It's sticky, sticky, sticky. And with the sun, it's gonna cake, so they're gonna need a cleanup crew ASAP. So just because it's a freebie and a junk call doesn't mean I'm not gonna be as professional as I would if it was something good. So I got a flatbed en route already. What I'm gonna do is, once my lines are walked out, I'm gonna put my outriggers all the way down so my tires are off the ground. This sticky asphalt stuff, tar, can't be good for us. Ah, that's good enough right there. What I'm gonna do is really quickly use some chain, flip it, then load it onto the, well, just kind of suspend it, have the flatbed guy drive underneath it and reset it on the bed, and then do a very, very deep clean. All right, stand clear. All right, let's stand clear. I wonder how long this mess is gonna take to clean up, man. So this accident happened and whoever was hauling it just booked it. They took off. What a jerk, right? All right, we got the foundry hook to it. What I'm gonna do is just push it out first. I don't know if you can tell, but I got all tires off the ground. I slammed my outriggers. I'm trying to get all this stuff on my tires. Oh, that. Ay, ay, ay. Yay! That's the fastest rollover I've ever done. There comes the easy part. I'll just put a chain around here, one in the back, and then I'll have Eddie drive through. It'll make it easier. I'm gonna have Eddie in the flatbed back up and do a quick 180 so he can back up to the underlift, and then I'll have this guide by then and put it directly on his flatbed. No reason to damage Dave. That's Dave's flatbed, by the way. You always see him in his rotator, that black one with the red flames, but it's Dave's assigned flatbed. We don't want to get it dirty for him when he comes in tonight. Already just gonna put all this junk inside here, then we close it up. All right, lift off on this very comical, disgusting, dirty job. That's good. Good, 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 right. All right, now pull it hard so I can just drop it. That's good. Let's somehow chalk, because the tires are rolling. Let's either chalk it or something so I can pick up the front. Let me let loose completely on the blue. Let me spin it. There we go. That's good right there. Woo! I'll take this off.
Get around.
And we are done. Quick and easy 15-minute job. And it's gonna cost me more than anything I'll receive, since no one's gonna claim this and pick it up. I'm gonna have to pay to toss it, plus to clean the trucks. But like I said, with the amount of rollovers I get, I can't complain. Good job, Eddie. So I'm putting Hooker and then I'm out of here. All right, Eddie's done securing it. Got that locked and loaded. Bulk is put away. I'm going to put up the outriggers. Watch out of here as fast as I can before this stuff messes up my tires. Interesting job, I'll say that for sure. Peace out, everyone.